Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly compress any particular PDF. So in order to compress a PDF, we will be using some free online tools so that we can compress the PDF and make its size smaller. So for that, you need to open any web browser of your choice. So currently I have opened Google Chrome, but you can open any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Opera browser as well. So once you are inside your web browser, you need to go to the search bar and simply search for I love PDF. Once you have searched, simply hit the enter button and you can see the search menu like this. Now in the search results, you can see the first link, which is www.ilovepdf.com. So this is a free site using which you can perform a lot of different types of operations on PDF files. So simply click onto this link, and at the home page you can see this option that says compress PDF. So simply click onto this compress PDF option and this particular page will open, and then you need to click onto this select PDF file, which will open the Windows Explorer, using which you can select the PDF file that you want to compress. So click onto this select PDF file button, and then you need to click onto that particular PDF that you want to compress. So for example, let's say I want to compress this PDF. Now you can also note the size of this PDF as of now, which is around 31 KB. So simply select this and click onto this open button. And here you can see that this file has been successfully loaded into the website. Now you have three different types of compressions over the right hand side. The first one is an extreme compression, second one is a recommended compression, and the third one is a less compression. So you can choose any of these. I am going with the default recommended compression, and then click onto this compress PDF button. Now you can see that your PDF is now 6% smaller. So from 31 KB, it has shrunk down to 29.83 KB. And here you can also see that the compressed PDF has been downloaded and is only around 29.8 kilobytes instead of 31 KB. So that's how easily you can compress a PDF using free and online tools. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and have a nice day.